Today's video is to show you how to search for a property's cancellation policy and COVID cancellation policy. So first we have the name of the property and we want to navigate down to details. Details then shows us the description of the property, terms and conditions, and cancellation, very strict. Now we'll start with the cancellation policy. You can click on very strict and that will open up and show you exactly what the policy is. So for this particular property, if you cancel 7 days prior to check-in, the guest will receive a full refund. If you cancel between the 7 days and the check-in date, the guest does not get a refund at all. So each of our cancellation policies are broken down into the 3 categories, which are before the cut-off date, after the cut-off date, and before the check-in, and after the check-in. For the COVID cancellation policy, there's a terms and conditions link that just sits below the description. If the terms for COVID cancellation are different to the normal cancellation policy, they'll sit here underneath terms and conditions. So for this particular property, in the event of a government mandated lockdown that restricts your ability to travel, we'll offer a full booking credit or offer a full refund. Each property has different terms about this, so please make sure you understand and agree to those terms before you proceed to book.